Welcome back. Welcome back, guys. As normal, sweaty forehead. Need some aircon in here, but fun times. The HPD catch can is rocked up, so I'm going to be fitting that today. It's just the Ford Territory catch can kit. Comes with a bracket which I'm going to modify. This was put onto me from Brendan Mills, who used to own a D3 but now owns a 200 series. Trader. Can't believe he done it. Bit of a Land Rover guru himself, so when I was first starting off on these I used to hit him up for info and stuff like that, and he was always keen on helping. And then he sent me through some details with what catch can he fitted, and it was this kit here. So yeah, today I'm just going to be popping off a couple of things, figuring out how I want to run these hoses, and then we'll go from there. But I'm going to come in through this gap and I'm going to pull the hose off of the intake to the turbo, and also from the crankcase vent pipe up above there. Alright, so I've got the two hoses on. The dilemma I'm having is how tight the gap is, so just trying to find a way to run it so it's not right next to a bloody boiling hot exhaust, but it's proving rather difficult. I need to get some heat wrap or something for this hose because it's basically just rubbing on the EGR, which definitely isn't ideal. But yeah, before I mount the bracket, I've just come to the conclusion that I just need to finish off this wiring quickly, box it up so I know exactly where I can put my catch can. So I'm just going to do that, and then I'll get back to you when it comes to the mounting time. Alright guys, so we're a couple hours later now, and yeah, I've been doing a lot of assembly. Just realised that I forgot to record me cutting the bracket, but basically I've cut the bracket, the tangs off. Where'd I put them? Yeah. So I just cut these tangs off to make it fit, so that it's going to go just here. So the reason I cut the tangs off was so that it cleared my my bonnet latch cable. So yeah, I think that's going to look good there. So all I'll do is drill 2 holes, then I'll drill 2 holes in this, put some thread certs in, and boop, Bob's your uncle. Just dropped my light. There you have it, guys. 4 years I've owned this thing, and it only took me doing an engine to finally put a catch can in. Let me clean that lens. It's better. So, as you can see there, I just thread inserted 2 8mm thread inserts, bolted it in. Obviously that chopped that bracket down, that's about it. These hoses are real tight, so I'm gonna have to go and get some some heat guarding to put on these, because they're getting real close to that EGR valve. I don't know how it's going to go. It says flammable, flame resistant hoses, so we'll see what happens, but I'll run through it again for you. So, top hose, the one from your engine, this guy here, that goes to the bottom port of the catch can, so from the engine to the lower port of the catch can, and then the upper port of your catch can goes into where your intake goes in. That's on any engine. Basically the reason behind that is, if you were to put from the engine to the top of the catch can, not so much on this one because this port's quite high, but you have more chance of the oil building up and then going out of that port straight into your intake if you don't drain it in time. So if you look at like your ProVent 200 catch can, the in port is like right down the bottom, so if you got that around the wrong way, you'd still just be sucking the oil straight into your intake system. But hope you guys like that. It turned out pretty neat. I just got to tidy it up a bit more. And how exciting is this? I've almost got a car again. And I haven't started it today, so I think I might give her a quick flicky boy. Everything's plugged in, yes.